Hello, welcome to the Pontem how-to videos. My name is Patrick, and this session is about how to set the payroll taxes for the new year, the federal, FICA, state exemption allowance, and maximum taxable wage amounts. For beginners, we log into the Pontem payroll program, and then we want to go to the primary task box in the upper left corner here. We're going to come down and we're going to click on Manage Employees. Once we've done that, we're going to come down just a little farther and we're going to click on the Tools tab. So we have our list of tools below, and we need to find the Pay Types link and click on Pay Types. This will bring up a new window of all the pay types for your program and for your database. And we're going to slide down to the bottom of this list. We're looking for Federal WHLD. Once we find this, federal withholdings, we're going to double click on it so we see the details. And then we're going to come up to the three tabs up at the top here, Pay Types, Tax Info, and W-2 Info. And from there, we're going to click on Tax Info so we see our tax details. Now this is the federal withholding, and on here we want to set our exemption allowance amount. To do this, we're going to come up and click on the Edit button up at the top. And we're going to come then down to the exemption allowance amount, and this is always found in the IRS Publication 15, which is released each year, and it's on their website. That's IRS Publication 15, and you can find that on the IRS website. And we would simply enter the new amount for the new year, in this case the 2018 rate. And then we're going to come down and click on the Save button to lock that in. To go to the next item which needs to be adjusted, we're going to come to our navigation triangles or navigation buttons up here in the right hand corner, and we're going to click on the right facing arrow. This takes us to the next one in line. This should be your FICA withholding. On here we want to click the Edit button again, and we need to come down and ensure that the percentage rate is correct and change the maximum taxable wage to whatever the rate is for the new year, again found in Publication 15 of the IRS. We then come down and click on the Save button to log that in. We go back to our navigation buttons up here at the top. We click it once and we should see Medicare withholding, and there's no changes to be made on this one. So we click the navigation button again, and now we're at our state withholding. Here we will click the Edit button up at the top, come down and adjust the exemption allowance amount. Now, the rates that I'm putting in here are not necessarily the rates for the new year. These are just rates that I have at the time that I'm making this video. So again, make sure and check the, in this case, State of Michigan Department of Treasury's website for the correct allowance amount and the correct percentage rate. So we come down to the bottom, we click the Save button again. We'll click the Next button. And now we're looking at employer FICA. Go ahead and click the Edit button again, come down, and this should match the previous FICA withholding one that you created. But again, verify that with Publication 15 of the IRS. Come back up to the top and click the Next button. And now we're on our Medicare. Now on this one, the Employer Med, there is the percentage rate that you'll want to check and ensure that the correct percentage rate is used. If that changes for some reason, again, we hit the Edit button, make the necessary changes and click the Save. But at this point, we are done with these. You're ready to go for the new tax year. So we can click our Close button down here at the bottom, and we're all set. Now, if you have any questions or need further assistance, you can contact us by going to the overview up here in your primary task box and use this online training, or the Create a Support Request link. Use the Create a Support Request link, or you can call us at the Pontem Help Desk. The number is 888-237-8531. Thank you very much and have a great day.